Hello. First of all, thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel, and it has now reaches 3,500. So yeah, my goal now is to reach 4,000 this month. So if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe for more video updates. Now, in my previous video, I showed you how I made the body bag, and also I haven't finished the lining. So today I'm going to show you how I did it, and I had hand sewn it because I don't want to ruin it with the sewing machine. So what I did is did this kind of stitch. I forgot what's the name of it. Okay, but it's nice and neat, and hopefully my camera will focus on it. Okay, alright, so that is how I sew it, and there's a lining inside. I think it's called Teflon, which is very common in the Philippines. It's like a white hard fabric that you use when you're sewing pants, I think. Yeah, but anyways, this is how I did it, and the fabric lining is very smooth and a little bit hard. Okay, now let's go to the strap now. So for the strap, what I made is I worked it in one round. So you might ask how I did it. So first you're gonna chain up a huge amount of chains that you need. In this case, I forgot, maybe around 200 or 300 chains. And then after that, you're going to go through these two rings, which is inserted here in the body bag, both sides. So you're going to insert the chain before you insert the chains after you close it. So you're going to form a big ring in which you're going to insert it through those two D-rings, and then slip stitch on the first chain made. After that, you're going to chain up 3 and work a 1 double crochet in every stitch. Now once you go around it, you're gonna make your last slip stitch and then fasten off. So these ring that we have formed, we're going to bring it together in this manner. Do you see that? This is the join. So we bring them together, and then I used a different yarn, and then I work a single crochet right here, single crochet in every stitch starting from this side. So I bring those two straps together, make sure it's not twisted, and then you're going to work 1 single crochet until you reach here. Now you're gonna do the same in the other side, so that the two straps will now become one, and it will now become thicker and sturdier. Take a look. So it doesn't stretch because of the stitch is vertically positioned, unlike if it's in a horizontal manner, it would stretch out. So that's the trick of having this kind of stitch when using as a strap. You can also chain up 3 and then work a single crochet in every row, just like this one, but as you can see, it stretches out, and this is what I don't like about using straps, working with 1 single crochet in every row. It stretches out. Unlike this one, it's sturdier and it doesn't stretch. So that's the reason why I have used, or I have come up with this idea. I don't know if they have this kind of strap in other video. As far as I know, I have never searched any straps like this. I just came up with this idea. So that's it. I hope you'll be able to make the strap. Just in case you like this idea, you may like, comment, and subscribe for more new ideas coming from me. Thank you so much.